Stay hard. We're brainwashed by delusionality. We should stand and make value to this world in a world where convenience and ease reign supreme. Many men find themselves struggling to withstand discomfort. It's no secret that society often fails to empathize with the physically strong and mentally tough. Instead, it appears more appealing to adopt a victim mentality, avoiding the strenuous path of expanding one's comfort zone. Well, let me tell you something that's a shit in your face. Those who choose this path ultimately harm themselves. The pursuit of toughness is undoubtedly challenging, but the truth remains. Learning how to be tough offers nothing but positive outcomes. It's essential to understand that being a tough and strong man does not equate to being a jerk, despite what some might think. So let's not use that as an excuse to remain soft and complacent. Strong man is desirable not because he's domineering, but because he's a valuable resource, not a burden. He possesses the capability to face life's challenges head on. When chaos ensues, he remains calm. Instead of dwelling on problems, he seeks solutions. He knows his responsibilities. In a world addicted to convenience, this message is a call to action, a reminder that strength and resilience are virtues worth pursuing. The path may be demanding, but the rewards are immeasurable. We become not just strong men, but valuable assets to our communities and ourselves. This is marked by moments of loneliness, rejection, and emotional pain. But within these challenges lies the potential for growth and transformation. With the power of resilience and the acknowledgement of our shared humanity, we can navigate life's hardships and emerge stronger than ever. Number one, loneliness, the quest for connection. It's so lonely. These words resonate with many of us. In a world that often seems connected yet isolated, loneliness can feel overwhelming. But it's essential to remember that you're not alone in this feeling. Loneliness is a universal emotion. So you want to be a man? Your emotion. It is a burden. It's a convertible power of the mind. Loneliness is a call to action. You'll weather life's storms. Number two, dealing with rejection and building confidence. Rejection. We have to deal with rejection on an entirely different level. Rejection can be disheartening, but it's an integral part of life. As men, we're often taught that maintaining confidence is the key to success. Rejections are not setbacks, but opportunities to grow. Let me tell you something. The truth is, no one likes you. Stop being entitled. Build yourself. Every rejection brings you closer to acceptance. Embrace each experience as a lesson. Confidence is not about being unbreakable, but about your ability to rise after each fall. Every step you take makes you stronger. Number three, emotional suppression. We hurt inside as much as women do. Men can experience emotional pain as deeply as anyone, but societal norms can sometimes pressure us to hide our feelings. Yes, you can cry, but be it your own. Because a true man deals with his emotions strongly and solely. Weakness must not be shown to your enemy, because they will use it as their weapon to drag you down. Your emotions are a source of strength, not weakness. When you allow yourself to feel and express your emotions, you discover resilience you never knew you had. It's not about suppressing pain. It's about transforming it into the fuel that propels you forward. Number four, acknowledgement and respect, valuing your humanity. As a man, nobody cares about you. It can feel like you have to prove your worth continually. Acknowledging the challenges men face and receiving recognition and respect is the first step in changing this narrative. But the world's not blind to your worth. Sometimes it takes a bit of shine in your life for others to see. By acknowledging your own value and demanding the respect you deserve, you inspire change, not only in your life, but in the lives of those who witness your strength. Number five, transformation. In every challenge, there's an opportunity for growth. These struggles, while uniquely experienced by men, are not a burden to bear, but a path toward personal transformation. You are not alone. You are part of a vast network of individuals facing life's challenges. Every day is a new chance to rewrite your story. Loneliness can lead to connections, and abuse can pave the way for healing. Rejections can become stepping stones to success, and emotional vulnerability can be a wellspring of strength. When you acknowledge your worth, others will follow suit. Remember, your journey as a man is unique, but the emotions and challenges you face are shared by many. Consider subscribing to this channel for part 2. Stay hard,